Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to replace a headlight in a GMC Sierra from 2005. Let's get to it.
All right, everybody, we're going to be taking out, first of all, you got to get the headlamp out. We have a low beam that's out. You can turn your lights on and then turn them on high, turn them on regular and see which it is. The low beam is out. High beam's good. On this particular model, it's real easy. You pop these pins out because we have to get the headlamp assembly out of there, which is this. Go real easy because it's old. This truck's old, 2005. Look at the bottom and you'll see that here's your lamps. This is your high beam, that's your low beam. We're gonna take the, if you can see right here what we're doing, pop that loose, unhook that wire, then you can turn this and it comes right out. Got little pegs there. If you turn it just right, it just pulls out. This is a low beam. It's burned out, it's not working, and this program is cheaper than a speeding ticket because they will pull you over if you have a light out. We want to always stay in compliance with local law enforcement regulations. This is a bulb that I bought at AutoZone. It's a basic Sylvania low beam. I'm going to take it and put it in here. You want to get up here and look at that? Can you see what I'm doing? And you got to turn it until those pieces line up and then turn it back like that and it's locked in there. Okay?
Awesome.
I've got a little bit of, this is bulb grease, and you just put a little bit of it in there. And also one thing, when you're putting the bulb in, do not touch the metal part of the bulb, okay? I mean the glass. Don't touch the glass, because if you touch the glass, that little bit of fingerprint, a little bit of oil that's on there, will shorten the life of your bulb. That little bit of bulb grease there just forms a seal when I plug this thing back in to keep out moisture, okay? You'll see there's 3 prongs in there. If you look in there, there's 3 prongs and a little tab. You gotta line it up with this, 2 prongs and a tab. Basically, 2 of them are electrical and 1 of them is just plastic. Go in there till it clicks. We come around here like this, back in the right position. We want to ease this in, and we want to make sure that all this stuff lines up just right. Then we can put this in here until it pushes in and pops over. Put this pin back in right here, pushes in and pops over. Then let's check it out. Let's film this, see if this thing comes on.
Alrighty. Looks like it.
I don't see it. Did it come on for a second?
Yes, sir. I believe so.
Now?
The yellow one?
Yeah, it should be. Yeah. That's the one we just changed. Perfect. All right, good deal.
So there we go.
All right.
See you guys later.